Today I'm going to show you how to remove the rear bumper on this 2015 Ford C-Max Hybrid step by step. First thing, open the rear hatch so you can access the upper mounting area. Now we're going to start by removing the screws and fasteners that hold the bumper in place. Check inside the wheel well first off. Take those out on both sides. Before you start, make sure you have your basic tools ready. Ratchet, extension, sockets, Torx bits, and a trim tool. Remove the screws. Wheel well fasteners. Now we're going to start by removing the screws and fasteners that hold the bumper in place. Keep your hardware together so nothing gets lost. Next, move underneath the bumper and remove the lower fasteners. These can be screws, clips, or push pins depending on what's still original on the car. Remove the lower two fasteners. Before you remove it all the way, check for any wiring. If the car has parking sensors, backup camera wiring, or lights connected through the bumper area, disconnect those carefully first. Use a trim tool or your hand carefully and start popping the bumper loose from the side. Take your time here so you don't crack the bumper or break the clips. Once both corners are free, support the bumper and start pulling it back slowly. Now the bumper can come off completely. This is the bumper reinforcement and it's rusted. Bad. This is what absorbs impact in an accident. If this fails, the car won't protect you properly. So we're replacing it. Remove the 4 bolts holding the reinforcement. Take it off. This is what protects you in a crash. Swap it out. This isn't cosmetic. This is safety. This is what protects you in a crash. This is not something you ignore. This is safety. Always check behind the bumper. because damage isn't always visible.